My name is Camila Rincon, and today I am going to explain two topics directed to adolescents and adults. These lessons will focus on W question and modal adoption, the levels A to adolescent, P1 adults, learning strategies such as affective, social, and compensatory strategies. And the class materials are board, classroom video being, flashcard. These types class materials are important because the teacher can explain better the topics and can write sentence and explain and use different materials, videos, links, page, games, tests online, activities online, and flashcard because they present different instructors, emotions, and teach the vocabulary the other way. Also, class materials are audiovisual materials as videos and worship adolescents and worship adults. They focus on the perform the different activities, focus in English, different English skills to improve the level and develop the skills in the English teaching and learning process. The class objective adolescents, the student will be able to apply the W question to asking and giving information about personal information, habits and hobbies. The student will be able to read simple text answering questions about the text. The student will be able to make presentation and simple description about yourself, favorite activities, and sports. Warmer is a time the 6 minutes in this section. It plays a short video, Who is she?, in which the student can listen and watch an easy conversation between some children in their school. Also, this video can the option activate the subtitle if the student don't understand the language. The next activity is same and safe. The teacher play a game with the student where they ask information or make a question about object elements in the classroom, and the student must answer this question. What? The presentation is a time the 50 minutes. The teacher explains the topic about W question, what, where, when, who, why, what. Who is refers a person, what refers as a thing or an action, when is a times, where is a place, how is the manner or something has happened, with it, why is the reason. The structure is W question, must verb to be, must adjective, must complement. The examples: what is your name? When is your birthday? Who is your friend? Why are you sad? Also, the teacher can use different flashcards to teach this topic. The presentation, also the teacher explain the other structure related to the when the main verb is in the verb to be. It should use the verb to be to as an interrogative auxiliary. W question, más auxiliary verb, más adjective, más main verb. Samples: where do you live? What did you do last weekend? How do children so well? Well, the practice is a 15 minutes. The teacher plays a video about the question. Then the student make an activity about fill the space with different W questions. Then must match sentence with the correct picture and to read the answers. The production is a 50 minutes, and the students must write in their notebooks and write 10 questions about the topic, like family, favorite activities, and sport, and then do an interview with your classmate and records to the answers. Assessment, that time the 15 minutes that the students make the text to evaluate the W question, and they must do activities to complete the different sentences. The class objective adults. The student will be able to apply the model deduction in different situations. The student will be able to read text, answer a question about the reading according to their level, among others. Warm-up is a time that 6 minutes. The students are done in pairs. Then the teacher plays the video about the environment. Then the teacher makes brainstorm, asking to them about which habits must change the human being. And then the students write in their notebooks the answer and participate in the activity, giving some contribution. The presentation. The teacher explains the topic about model deduction. For this, use a flashcard and explain the topic. Must, when we feel sure that something is true or is the only realistic possibility. There must be her house. I can see her car in the garage. And Peter must study to improve his English level. And might make cool to say that we think something is possible, but we're not sure. She's not here yet. She might be stuck in traffic. He is not answering. He could be in class. Can't. When we feel sure that something is not possible, it can be for now. We have been driving for hours. It can be easy for him looking after one kid of his own. Practice is 50 minutes. The students must read the text about the danger plastic and complete the test using correctly the model deduction. For this, they must enter or click in this link and realize the activity. And the next activity, they must watch a video about how to save our planet and then answer the question about the test. The production, the students write an essay. Then they must talk about the topic, the topic in this essay, and participate in the debate, sharing your opinion with the teacher and classmate. And the assessment is 50 minutes. The student make the test about use of model deduction. This link. These include different activities to complete the tests, the sentence, and among others. And well, that is in my presentation about the lesson plans, and this is the reference to use the different materials to the lesson plan. Thanks, goodbye.